going to be having a look at the rise of USTC, currently exploding as I am speaking. And this thing is up literally 250% since I tweeted this tweet right here. Will USTC ever repegged? If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, feel free to check out the link in the description below. But before that, let's dive in at the whole crypto bubble. I mean, this is absolutely insane. We got Luna up 23%. We got Lunc, Terra Luna Classic up 48%. And then we got USTC up 272%. That is literally abnormal. Can we actually see USTC blow all the way up to $1? That would be literally a 13x from here. That is not a lot. Now, of course, we're going to be talking about the repeg. We're going to be talking on what the market cap could be at the repeg. But before that, if you guys do want to trade USTC, trade Luna Classic, or trade regular Luna, you could go ahead and do it. Link will be in the description below. You could deposit and get up to $20,000 worth of bonuses, and you could see there's 0 maker taker fees on spot, 0 maker on futures, and only 0.02 on futures on taker. So obviously looking pretty good for traders like you, like yourself. Now, a lot of people told me, like I said in my video yesterday, would you short this? And literally I came out with the video and I said I would not short Terra Luna at all. And shorters are about to get wrecked, because I saw that there's a crap ton of shorters right now that are shorting USTC. And yes, even though we might see a small correction of maybe 10%, either way, you will get wrecked. Okay, so don't do this again. Don't short. Okay, so we could see right here that the whole crypto bubble is looking okay when it comes to Luna, Lunc, USDC. It seems like a lot of action and a lot of gains are being taken away by these three crypto. Okay, so everything else is in red right now. Bitcoin is currently sitting under $37,000, traded at 36.71, and of course the market cap sitting at $20 billion. But that's not so important right now. I do want to have a look at Terra Classic USTC right here, traded at 0.72. So when we made the video yesterday, I mean, we were traded, I believe, right here at around 0.4, 0.39 before this really took off. So obviously this is really crazy. We're traded just under 4, and this thing absolutely exploded almost 100% since my video yesterday, and 250% since this tweet right here. Will USDC ever repeg? So if we have a look right here, the market cap is currently sitting at 643 million. The circulating supply is sitting at 8.9 million, so right under 9 billion tokens. If we have a look at the all-time market cap for USDC, we could see that the all-time market cap for USDC was approximately $18 billion. Okay, so that means in order for it to go back to, you know, where it repegged, the market cap, the price would have to be $1, right? So $1 will ultimately mean that the market cap would be $9 billion. So is that doable? Yes. For a lot of people who are saying it's not doable, it's 100% doable. $9 billion is nothing compared to the whole market cap, global market capitalization, because we know that in the last bull market we had anywhere between $2 to $3 trillion flowing, and only $20 billion was USDC. Now imagine that cut in half, $9 billion. Okay, even less than that, $8.9 billion being the market cap of USDC is 100% doable. The trading volume, guys, I mean, if you guys saw my video yesterday, the trading volume was, I believe, under 100 million. I don't know if it was accurate. I think it was more than that in my opinion, but the trading volume literally spiked up all the way to 1.5 billion within 24 hours. 1.5 billion is the trading volume, so almost double, even more, double what the market cap is, which is obviously insane. Okay, so this is obviously very bullish what we're seeing right now on USDC Terra Luna Classic. Just a couple of weeks ago, the market cap of USDC was $120 million. A couple of weeks ago. What a couple of weeks ago? November 25th, literally Saturday, guys. Saturday, the market cap of USDC was $125 million, and now we're literally sitting right under 700 million. That is insane. Okay, so you could see, guys, that you could trade actually USDC on MEXC, OKX, KuCoin, and we know that a lot of volume is obviously coming from OKX, but a lot of volume is also coming from USDC USTC. You could see it's actually the ranked number 2 exchange. I don't know why. Maybe because the spread is the lowest at 0.1%. So you're actually getting the cheapest value, and you know you're getting your money's worth pretty much on MEXC. So I know a lot of people will go for OKX and KuCoin, but these are actually very, very expensive. Okay, 0.29 spread, especially if you're playing with like $10,000, $5,000, you're actually losing money. Okay, so I would suggest going with MEXC. A lot of people are underestimating this exchange right here, but I would not do that. So diving into the charts real quick, we could see that Terra Luna Classic or USTC, we're gonna get into Terra Luna Classic in just a second, but you can see that the stochastic RSI really don't mean anything anymore, because this thing has been absolutely going parabolic, as you guys can see, and this doesn't matter anymore. So if we have a look right here on the daily time frame, we could see that this thing has been going parabolic, which is obviously pretty bullish. And of course, this is the main support or resistance that you want to take a look at. Okay, now assuming we do close above this resistance right here, which was the ultimate resistance of June 7, 2022, if we break this resistance and we close above it on the daily time frame, we're most likely going to see USDC go parabolic to 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, maybe 80 cents, maybe $1. So obviously this is definitely something you want to look out for right here. And pretty much that's about it. Looking at the volume real quick, the volume is obviously something you want to obviously take a look at. People don't really look at volume. Now, if the volume was low, like right here, or low like right here, you could say that this is a fake pump. But now we're seeing consecutive day, the volume breaking all-time high, or for the third day in a row, we could see that the volume is breaking all-time high. So this was the first day right here. We saw a nice little pump of, I believe, what was it, 30%? Not even, yeah, it was 30% pump. And then we saw a second pump right here, a massive surge of volume, and then a third pump. Okay, so we're seeing 3 straight pumps right here, followed by an all-time high in volume. So this is obviously very bullish for USDC. Going into regular Luna right here, we could see that we did make a massive break right here off this very important support region. And of course, guys, we did break a massive downtrend. Okay, so this was a downtrend for Terra Luna Classic right here. We did break this massive downtrend, which is obviously looking pretty great. The big question is, can Terra Luna Classic go back to the all-time high of the new Terra Luna or Terra Luna 2.0, which would be a 529% pump from here? Very possible. And of course, if we have a look at this thing right here, guys, obviously a very important one, Terra Luna Classic or regular Terra Luna 2.0 is about to go parabolic. Why am I saying this? Because once we break this resistance right here, or this double top, or whatever you want to call it, we're most likely gonna fly to the damn moon. We should see a 200% pump. So we're gonna have to see what happens right here. So the first level we're gonna have to look at right here, which it would be this resistance right here sitting at $1.4, and of course followed by the second, which would be $2.8. Once we break these two levels, we should see Luna really go parabolic from here. But USDC, guys, is looking bullish overall. This video is really about USDC. I wouldn't be surprised if we go to $1 by the next bull market. Whether this coin has value or it doesn't have value, or whether Luna's coming back or Do Kwon is getting out of jail, it doesn't matter. We know that USDC became a meme coin. People might disagree with me. Whether we go back to $1, I don't think it's going to stay at $1. It could go to $2, $3. USDC is obviously not a dollar coin anymore. It's not pegged to the dollar. So even if it does repeg to $1, it won't actually repeg. It will just go to $1, maybe go back to 80 cents, go back to $1.30. It's becoming a meme coin, right? In order for something to repeg, it needs to be stable and stay at that level. And plus, let's be honest, for those who will be buying Luna, they're most likely going to sell at maybe 80 cents, 90 cents, or maybe $1. So that is my video, guys, on Terra Luna Classic on USDC. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.